Yo, yo, let me explain this to you. See, I'm not gonna let you run me. How we're gonna do it is, I'm gonna run you. Ew.
What's up, Bougie Gang? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing the Bratz challenge. I thought this challenge was so cute and so fun. Hey, I'm too excited. Okay, so y'all, I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm starting off with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color chocolate, and I'm just gonna outline my eyes. So yeah, y'all, I'm outlining my eyes. I'm making sure the tail is really sharp, and I'm using an e.l.f. brush. Look at me. So now I'm just going to go in with the concealer by Shape Tape, and I'm going to clean up whatever I need to give it a sharp and Barbie doll effect. Well, in this case, Bratz doll. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush. I'll have everything listed down below. And I just start up under the brow, and then I'm going to drag it and drag the concealer down into my lid area. So just keep watching. Y'all, I'm so happy I did this challenge because it gave me a lot of inspiration, and it really got me wanting to get back into makeup. So I play so much, y'all. Excuse me. And if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. I'm going to start back up with the makeup tutorials. I recorded this one on my phone because it was such short notice, but I'm going to get back into my makeup tutorials once I get my new camera. So I'm excited. I got a lot of cute looks for y'all. Now I'm just going in with my Sex Kitten Cosmetics highlighter. And I'll post that down below, the shade that I bought. It's by Essence Christina. She's also a YouTuber. And I'm going into my Morphe palette, and the color I used, I forgot the name of it, but I'm just going to go over my crease, a little bit above my crease. And I left it harsh because that's how it was on the picture. Now I'm just going in with my Shape Tape concealer in the color 10 or either something. I forgot, y'all. I'm so bad with memorizing. But I'm just going to cut my crease. And this is a Wet n Wild brush that I'm using. But like I said, I'll put all the details down below. But I'm just using a very steady hand. And I love this concealer because it's so thick. Now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to use that color right there on the end. And I'm going to go over my lid with it. And I'm just patting. The best way to get the best color payoff with this palette is to just pat. And I'm going to line. I'm going to do a very dramatic line, as you guys can see, because this is a Bratz doll tutorial. So, boom. Ooh, that wing gonna cut somebody. Don't scare me. Don't scare me with the wing. But yeah, I'm just doing my wing. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner in Jet Black. When you guys purchase this eyeliner, make sure it's in the color Jet Black. But if you guys want a full detailed eyeliner tutorial, let me know. Comment down below. But yeah, I'm just starting in the inner corner. I take it out. And then I just do my wing. And I connect it. But like I said, if you guys want a detailed tutorial, comment down below. Make sure you guys are thumbs up and commenting and liking my videos because I love the feedback. Now I'm using my new lashes from my new lash line. This is my doll collection lash line. I haven't named them yet, but I'm just going to use the top pair. I'm so happy, y'all. These lashes are bomb for my girls that like dramatic lashes. So I have like 5 different styles. These are just 3, but I end up going with the top style, which are really wispy. So yeah, I gotta come up with a name for them, but they will be available. If this video is up, they should be available now, so you can just shop on my website, www.boujiegang.com, and it'll be in the description bar below. But y'all, these lashes are bomb. They are minks. They're dramatic, but they are not heavy. They're very, very light. I love them. So yeah, I'm just applying the lashes. Oh girl, let me find out my song was playing. Yes, those lashes are everything. Now we're going to get started on the face. I'm using the ColourPop primer, and I love this primer, y'all. It smells so good. It makes your skin so smooth and so soft. And I'm just going to put it all over my face. I look crazy. And I'm just going to gently massage it in. And I just really want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. And I'm just going to blend it out with the Instapot brush by Real Techniques. Y'all, I love this brush. It is bomb, bomb, bomb. Also have buy one get one free sale, so loving it. And I'm using my orange color corrector, and I'm just going to go into the places where I have just a little discoloration, which is around my mouth and a little bit under my eyes. It's not noticeable, but I just like to do this step to get a flawless finish. So I'm just blending it out. The key to a flawless face is to blend, blend, blend. Blend, baby, blend. Okay, now we're going to go in with our Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. And I'm just going to go under my eyes. Just focusing right up in that area, not taking it down too low. On the side of my nose to snatch it. Need a little snatchinization. I don't even know if that's a word, y'all. I just made it up. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and we're going to spread it out evenly. A little bit of this concealer goes a long way. I just used this much because I wanted a dramatic highlight, but you don't have to use as much as I did, guys. So we're going to take it on both sides, like so. On the sides of my nose. Then I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. And I'm taking my Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush, and I'm just going to pat everything in and blend it out flawlessly. And I think I'm going to speed this part up. I'm just concentrating. I'm not dragging, y'all. I'm just patting. Patting, patting, patting. Patting, and kind of just moving the product where I want it to go. And then I'm going to take it above my lip as well once I get done doing the other side. Now I'm taking my NARS foundation in the color Caledonia, I want to say, but I'll write it down below. I'm taking my Instapot brush, and I'm just going to flawlessly blend out my foundation into my concealer. I started at the bottom of my jawline just so that it's not a harsh blend. And I'm just going to go into all the places needed that I didn't put highlight. And I'm just patting and using my Real Techniques Instapot brush. Y'all, this brush is the truth. It's good. It's the same quality as the Expert Face brush, but it's just bigger, and you can get in the same areas in less time. So I love it. I love this brush. No complaints. I'm going to go on my forehead area. Yes. Yes, blend. So yeah, I'm just blending out. Y'all, makeup is so fun. I just really love it. And this challenge, like I said, really made me I can't talk. Really made me want to get back into YouTube and my passion, which is makeup. Who do I think I am? Now I'm taking that same concealer brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to set everything with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the color medium. And if it's too orange for you guys, just mix it with a little Airspun or any kind of light powder, because that's what I do. I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. The faces I make are hilarious. I'm such a character. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all let me know what kind of look y'all want to see next, what kind of challenge y'all want me to do. I might do another Bratz doll challenge. Now I'm just setting my whole face with the Laura Mercier setting powder in Deep. And I'm using a Real Techniques, I think this is a blush brush to do so. I like it because it's big and it just gets everywhere in less time versus a smaller brush. Okay, now I'm going to blush my face, and I think I just used like a e.l.f. blush or a blush out of my palette, I think. And I'm just going to lightly blush. I want to look like a doll, but I don't want to look too dollish, so I'm not going to overdo it. and I'm just taking it up towards my cheeks. Now I'm going to use that same color that I used in the palette, the Morphe palette, on my bottom lash line. And I want it to really, really pop, so I'm going in with like 2 or 3 coats of it. And I'm going to use that same color to kind of contour my nose and get it snatched. I have fuller features, but I want to just define them. And I love my features. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Inglot gel liner in the color 70, I think it is. But if it's not, I'll list it down below. And I'm using my Morphe brush, liner brush. I'm just going to go in my inner corner and in my waterline. And I also did the inner corner liner as well. I did an inner corner wing as well as the outer wing. And I'm going to take the same liner and I'm going to go over my liner from earlier. Sorry about the angle. You can't really see me doing it, but I did it. I love this liner. It's so creamy and so black. So yeah, I'm just going over that top liner just to give it a more defined look. Now I'm going to go on top of my cut crease and I'm going to make a black line because that's how the doll's makeup was. So I'm doing it and I love the way it came out. And I'm just defining it even more because I feel like it wasn't thick enough. Yes. Now I'm just dusting away that powder from underneath my eyes. I always do that so that whatever fallout may have fell can just come off at the end. Now I'm just doing my bottom mascara and I'm using the Falsies mascara by Maybelline. And I purchased these diamonds with rhinestones online on Amazon. I'll try to find the link and put it down below. And I just use lash glue to apply it. Now let's get into this hair. Woo child. I didn't like the lip I did, but so I redid my lip before I started on my hair. I just come to y'all any kind of way. Look at my hair. Y'all, I could tell. Y'all could tell I love y'all because, woo child, that's a mess. But I'm just using the Ruby Kisses, the Ruby Kisses lipstick in the color Plum. And I'm just outlining my lips. And it's like a brown purple color. It's really dark. And then I'm using the LA Colors lip gloss in the color Doll Face. And you can get this from your local Ulta, I think, or you can get it from, I know that Family Dollar has it, or just go online and try to find it. But I love this lip gloss. It's so inexpensive and it's not sticky. I have another lip gloss tutorial coming up soon, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I feel like I have literally Bratz doll lips. Like, okay, God, you blessed me when you gave me these lips, because some people pay for them. So I guess I can't complain. And I'm just going to keep adding it until it looks like it's about to drip off of my lips. And the doll had 2 pigtails, but I just put my own twist on it. So yeah, I'm just fixing it. It was a mess here, so I took it down. And I went back and did it. I redid my hair like 30 times, I feel like. But yeah, I just parted it down the middle and did 2 pigtails. Just a messy look. I didn't want it to be too perfect. So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this tutorial. This is my outfit. Y'all can really see it. Hold on. I should do it this way. I'm gonna take this off.